House apartment, bungalow type, with 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Ang location sa Imus City, Cavite, Philippines. Yes kids, yes pets allowed, and yes parking. May sariling metro ng kuryente at tubig, malapit sa highway, may malapit na school at market. Yes, it's inside subdivision, good community, and flood-free location. Hello everyone, kamusta kayong lahat? Ito po ang details at full video ng na-visit natin at na-locate na bahay ngayong June 2025. House apartment with 2 bedrooms na pwedeng magtindahan sa Imus City, Cavite, Philippines. Hello everyone! So yun, ito yung itsura ng bahay, itong kulay blue. Ito yung kanyang veranda, dito yung laundry area at pwedeng magtindahan. Dito naman yung provision para sa window type na aircon, pwede ring maging sampayan. Very spacious na rin, pwedeng malagyan ng mga gamit. Ito pong bahay ay vacant ngayong June 2025. Ito naman yung laundry area, dito yung veranda, pwedeng magtindahan. Check po natin yung loob ng bahay, bagong pintura. Very spacious na rin. Maganda yung bahay at maganda rin ang location. Ito naman yung kanyang sala, yung bathroom at yung isang bedroom. Dalawa po ang CR nito at meron pong 2 kwarto. Ito naman ang kanyang dining area. Maganda yung kusina, may mga built-in cabinets na rin. Naka-tiles na ang flooring at bagong pintura. Ito naman yung extra bathroom. Yes ma'am, yes sir. May 2 CR at may 2 lababo itong house apartment. Ito naman yung kwarto na may provision para sa window type na aircon. Very spacious na rin. Kasya na dito yung malalaking kama like king size and queen size bed. Hello everyone, kamusta kayong lahat? Ulit, share ko lang po itong details and information. Baka meron kayong kakilalang naghahanap ng house and apartment with 2 bedrooms sa Imus City, Cavite.